Pwede na po tayo po. Maraming salamat po. May ganun. First of all, I would like to thank God for this another milestone in our lives. So binigay niyang malakas na pangatawan at saka magandang panahon. At lagi tayo dito sa kapahamakan. Kailangan natin magpasalamat palagi sa Panginoon because without God, we are nothing. Of course, to my wife, Jinky, to Mr. Johnny Elorde, Mrs. Lisa Elorde, and to the Elorde family, Secretary Binhor Abalos, ating magiging senador, Binhor Abalos Jr., Mr. Melvin Jerusalem, our champion, Mr. Pedro Tadoran, dito, Mr. Carlos Yolo, nandito rin. Palakpakan naman natin. I just want to let you know guys na I'm so proud of you sa lahat ng karangalan na binigay niyo sa bansa natin. Our GAB Chairman Attorney Francisco Rivera, to our POC Chairman Abraham Tolentino, to our WBO Leon Panoncillo, nandito rin. Our Mayor Eric Olivares, nandito. Our Vice Mayor Joan Villapuerte, to Mr. Jimal Villapuerte, Blue by Blue family, Marife and Len, and sa aking, sa lahat ng mga Rotary Governors and Rotarians of District 3810, ang ating Rotary Club. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed awardees, members of boxing community, our dear organizers, partners, and sponsors, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Good evening everyone.
Good evening po, Senator.
Kala ko hindi pa kayo nakakain eh. Tonight, we celebrate the strength of the Filipino spirit. It is a night when we honor champions inside the ring and those who have fought battles beyond it. The trainers, coaches, promoters, and everyone who has dedicated their life to this sport. Boxing is more than a sport. It is a test of discipline, heart, and perseverance. Inside the ring, we fight with our fist. Outside, we fight with faith and determination. First, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the organizers of the Second Pacquiao Elorde Awards for their hard work and dedication in making this event possible. To the Elorde family, thank you for continuing the legacy of the great Gabriel Flas Elorde, a true pioneer of Philippine boxing. His discipline, humility, and relentless pursuit of excellence set the standard for what it means to be a Filipino fighter. His legacy paved the way for the next generations, proving that with discipline and heart, success is possible. To all of us, let us carry on this legacy. Lagi ko pong sinasabi yan na sa ating lahat, nandito tayo sa mundo to create legacy. That legacy to glorify God and to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. That's our responsibility. We are here in this world for a purpose. Wala tayo, nandito tayo sa mundo hindi para tayo ay magpakasawa, gawin ang lahat, magpakasaya, and then tatanda, mamatay. Hindi ganon. Nandito tayo sa mundo for a purpose. And that purpose, that we can give legacy, we can leave a legacy to our next generation, the future generation. Yan po ang lagi kong sinasabi kung ako po ay nagbibigay ng mensahe na tayong lahat ay lilipas lang din dito sa mundo. Alalahanin natin na kahit ano ka pa kasikat na tao sa buong mundo, kahit ikaw pa pinakamayaman sa buong mundo, ikaw pa pinakamaraming lupain sa buong mundo, o ikaw pinaka-successful na tao sa buong mundo, pag tayo ay nawala na, lilipas din ang mga panahon na yan at makalimutan tayo ng mga susunod pang henerasyon. Pero kung ikaw habang nandito sa mundo nabubuhay at ikaw ay nakatulong sa iyong kapwa at ikaw nakagawa ng isang ligasiya na maging alaala at maging inspirasyon, ma-remember ka kahit ilang daan pang taon lumipas after na mawala ka din sa mundo. Yun po ang pinaka-importante. Hindi po mahalaga na ikaw ay, although kailangan natin ng yaman para tayo ay mabuhay ng talagang mapayapa, pero ang pinaka-mapayapang pamumuhay ay nasa piling ng Panginoon at ikaw ay nakakatulong sa iyong kapwa. And nag-glorify at masaya ang Panginoon sa ating lahat. Yun po ang lagi kong sinishare sa lahat kasi ang ating bansa mayaman pero ang mga karamihan sa atin ay naghihirap. Dito sa ating bansa para bang we sit on a top on a gold mine, no? A bigger sitting on a gold mine, parang ganon sa ating bansa. Mayaman ang ating bansa kaso lang mga tao naghihirap. Yun po ang problema, kailangan natin isipin na tayo ay lilipas lang din dito sa mundo. To our partners and sponsors, your support allows our athletes to dream bigger, train harder, and push the limits of what they can achieve. Because of you, many of our aspiring champions have the opportunities they deserve. Your commitment to Philippine boxing is a testament to the belief that our fighters are among the best in the world. To our awardees, this celebration is for you. You have faced challenges, made sacrifices, and endured pain to reach where you are today. Every round you have fought, every drop of sweat you have shed, and every moment of struggle have brought this recognition. You embody the values that define a great boxer: discipline, hard work, and faith. Alam ko po na ang hirap kung paano maging kampiyon. I know what it takes to rise from the bottom, to train through exhaustion, to fight with everything you have, and to keep going even when the odds are against you. Boxing is not just about throwing punches. It is about perseverance, about proving to yourself that you can rise every time you fall. Marami tayong karanasan sa buhay na gano'n, hindi lamang sa sport, but in reality in life. Maraming gano'n, may downfall, may success gano'n, but do not give up. The ring teaches us about life. It teaches us about resilience, humility, and the power of belief. The most important thing, those successful fighters, athletes, remember the secret to become a true champion is to humble yourself before God and before others. Dili ko gusto ng ihambog kanang humility, mabait, hindi mayabang. But beyond personal victories, let us not forget that as boxers, we carry the hopes of our country. Every time we step into the ring, we are not just fighting for ourselves. We are fighting for our families, the communities that support us, and the millions of Filipinos who see us as a source of inspiration. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. Tandaan niyo po, kasama niyo po si Manny Pacquiao sa bawat laban para sa ating bayan. Together, let us continue to strive for excellence, not just in skill but also in character. Beyond titles, a true champion is measured by the impact they leave behind. Tonight, as we celebrate your achievements, I challenge each of you to keep pushing forward, to continue inspiring others, and to never lose sight of what you or why you started. The road to greatness is never easy, but nothing is impossible for those who believe in God. With Him, all things are possible. And again, congratulations to everyone. May this celebration serve as a reminder that your hard work is seen, your sacrifice are valued, and your dreams are worth fighting for. Congratulations again to all of you. Let us keep dreaming and keep making our country proud. Thank you and God bless everyone. I hope you enjoy the ride.
Let us all rise and put our hands together and give a resounding applause to one of the best, Hall of Famer, Senator Manny Pacquiao!
Sa mundo, kapalit may buhay ko.
Thank you very much, Senator Manny. What a great speech. Thank you for being an inspiration to our athletes. And congratulations on your